We're going to do a video together. Yes, we are. We're going to do some singing and dancing for you. You're going to dance with us, yeah? Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, you think it's funny? It's going to be funny, don't we? Yeah, see, he knows, he understands.
Yeah.
That's the evidence that he's dancing afterwards, so that means he knows what we're talking about. You ready for this? Yeah. Tick-tock, tick-go-tick-tock. Got that money and I ain't gonna stop. Them all get shook when them see me clock. Up in the club, champagne, me on a bus machine. Tick-tock, tick-go-tick-tock. Gotta make money and I ain't gonna stop. Them all get shook when them see me clock. Up in the club, champagne, me on a bus. Make a toast to all the big man rapper them. The one who live the lifestyle of the dapper them. Big up all the girl them with the biggest set of knockers them. I'm not talking one of them or all flock of them. So you have to make sure your game proper them when tick-tock, tick-go-tick-tock. Got that money and I ain't gonna stop. Niggas get shook when them see me clock. Up in the club, champagne, with the Babylon boy. Yeah, hear me put the rough cut thing upon your head. Hey, Mr. Babylon boy. Yo, wheel it once again. So let me see. Tick-tock. Yeah, you like that?
You're singing yourself.
Yeah, I know, he's trying. Tick-tock, tick-goes-tick-tock. Got that money and I ain't gonna stop. Niggas get shook when them see me clock. Open up the club, champagne, me all of us. That's good, isn't it? Yeah. We can